Hello guys, this is DIGADO from DIGADO Technologies, and today I'm going to show you some simple tricks to create a strong and secure password so that your password do not get hacked. And also I'm going to introduce to you a new website of which you can save your passwords. Okay, I know by now you have many passwords of which you've created for many websites, and I know you can't keep all of them in your head. So I'm going to show you this particular password manager of which you can use to save all your passwords. Okay, good. But this time I'm only going to show you the password manager, and I'm not going to show you how you can encrypt your passwords when saving them. Okay, because this password manager can be hacked, and so if you want to save your password within this password manager, I beg you should encrypt those passwords before you save them in this password manager, and it's called Bitwarden. Creating a password, okay, for your website or whatever, you shouldn't use numbers only. No, that is not good. And at the same time, you shouldn't use alphabet only. Okay, but you can use alphabets and numbers. Okay, you can use alphabet and numbers combined. One key thing to check if creating a password is to use uppercase letters and also at the same time use lowercase letters combined in a single password, which makes it much stronger. You should also use numbers in your passwords when creating them. Also, you should avoid phrases. Okay, for instance, using welcome, Christmas, and also your name. You should avoid them. And also, you should include characters like the hash sign, like the pound sign, like the dollar sign, the @ sign, and whatever. You should also include uppercase and lowercase within your password when creating them. So guys, let's move on to the website that you can use to save your password. That's the Bitwarden. So you can check on Google bitwarden.com. Bitwarden.com. It's a password manager which is used to save passwords. Okay, it's used to store or save all your passwords. So you can check them out. Bitwarden.com. Okay, so it's going to load. As you can see, their interface, they have a nice interface. So you can check them out. Bitwarden.com. Don't mind about the pricing, it's free. Okay, so just click on, okay, let me get you through their website so that I can check one or two things. Let me get you through. So as you can see, they have powerful security within minutes, and they have unlimited passwords. That means you can save as many as passwords that you want within this website. As you can see, top companies that are working with Bitwarden, top companies that are satisfied with Bitwarden's activities. So as you can see, University of Toronto, you can see Grovo, you can see Intersys. Okay, these companies work with Bitwarden. They are safe. Okay, saving their details here. So as I said, you can choose the free accounts. Okay, yeah, you can choose the free account. That means you're not going to pay for anything. Okay, good. So they have a nice interface. So what I'm going to do is to click on the get started. Okay, if you do not have any account with them, but if you have an account, just click on the login. So right now I'm going to click on the get started, as you can see. So it's going to load for me. It's going to load. Then I I sign up on this platform. So I have to introduce or put in my email address, my name, my master password. But one thing is, your master password can't be recovered if you do not remember. So what Bitwarden password manager does, it stores your logins, secure note, and more. Okay, it collaborates and shares securely. And one thing is, you can access your passwords anyway. Okay, you can access your password anywhere. So I'm going to input my email address, my name, my master password. Okay, good. Then I click on check known data breaches for this password. Okay, afterwards I click on I've accepted their terms and conditions. Then I'm going to click on create account. So upon creating your account, it's going to redirect you. They're going to send you a confirmation mail into your email address to confirm. Okay, good. So as you can see, I'm done confirming and whatever. Okay, it's simple. It's simple. So as you can see, I have to verify my email. Okay, I have to verify my email. It's just simple. It's just simple as ABCD. So as you can see on your left panel, you can see favorites, you can see login, you can see identity, you can see everything. Okay, so if you want to add a new item, you can just go there. Okay, you can just go there. So I want to, let me say, save my PayPal password here. Okay, so I just go to the login and type the name for PayPal. Okay, then I'm going to, let me say, type my username for my PayPal account and also going to type the password. So as you can see, afterwards I'm going to click on the save. I'm going to click on the save to save my password. Okay, so let's wait. Good. As you can see, item added. So if I click on the login, it's going to show to me the password that I saved. Okay, good. So if you want to also save your credit card details, you can click on the card. And also you can click on the new to create a new item or to create a new folder. Okay, so if I want to create a new item, for instance, I've chosen the card. That means I'm going to input my credit card details. Okay, I'm going to input my credit card details. So I have to type in the name. Okay, so for instance, I'm choosing Visa. You can type any name. Okay, so as you can see, the brand of your credit card. You have Visa, you have MasterCard, you have American Express, whatever. Okay, so afterwards you are going to type the card name. You type the whatever that is contained on the credit card. Just type, and afterwards you click on save. Okay, good. So if you want to input or type something, or let me say a note, you can just come here, write whatever note that you want. It's going to permit you to do that. Okay, it's quite interesting. So guys, this is Bitwarden. It's a password manager. Of which you can use to save all your passwords, and even you can use to save your documents. Okay, for instance, if I want to let me say, create a new folder for you to see something. Okay, I'm creating a new folder. So the folder name should be, let me say, tutorials. Okay, good. Afterwards, I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for me, and also follow me on TikTok, DIGADO Technologies. Thank you for watching once again.